Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to the Jofos IT services on YouTube. Please, in this video, I'm going to give you a new update on all browsers. I'm going to give you a new privacy policy on all browsers. So please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of this video. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family members. All right, let's delve right into today's lesson. Now, many people are facing challenges with browsing websites. Many people are facing challenges like this. This is the challenge that many people are facing, as you can see on the screen here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to solve this challenge. The best way that you can be able to solve this particular problem. So please, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, kindly subscribe to the Jofos IT services and turn on the notification button for all. Like and share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from. Share this video with everybody that is using the internet. Share this video with everybody that is using any browser. All right, so this challenge is not being faced by only those using Google Chrome. It is being faced by everyone that is using any kind of browser to browse any website or to have access to the internet. All right, so please don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I'll show you how you can be able to resolve this particular problem. Now, what you need to do is you click on this link here. You have to click on this link here. When you click on the link, a menu will pop up for you. All right, so this is the menu that will pop up for you, as you can see on your screens here. All right, so when it opens like this, what you need to do is to make sure that you tick this particular box. You tick this particular box here, the circle here. You tick it to change your privacy protection to enhanced protection, so that you can be able to browse any website that you want to browse. So this is the short way that you can do it. Now I'm going to show you the second way that you can be able to resolve this particular challenge, because some of you cannot have access to this kind of thing directly, as I was able to have access to it on my phone. So please, let's look at the second way that you can be able to solve that problem. Okay, so now the second way that you can be able to solve this problem is by launching your Google Chrome application here, the Google Chrome browser. You launch it. Any browser at all that you are using, you click on the browser to launch it. So let me launch my browser and show you how you can be able to resolve that particular challenge. So immediately you launch the browser, come to this corner here, click on that icon. When you click on the icon, you scroll and you locate settings. You click on settings here. So when you click on settings, you scroll again, you scroll and go to privacy and security. You click on privacy and security. So when you click on the privacy and security, we are going to scroll again. You scroll down, then you locate security here again. You get security here, then you click on safe browsing. Click on safe browsing. So as you can see, my own is not on the enhanced protection. So for you to be able to browse all websites, you need to tick this one. You have to tick this one so that you can be able to solve that problem. When you are able to tick this one, it means you are fully protected. But when you see that kind of thing on your phone, that your connection is not private, then it means you are not safe. So please, let's tick this one. Let's tick that particular box there. When you tick it, then you are done. So you come back to this section, You browse now, you type anything that you want to type now, then you can be able to have access to anything that you search using your browser. So please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. You turn on the notification button for all, so that you can be able to receive more important and more educative videos from us on this one and only educative channel on YouTube. So thank you very much. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.